Hello and welcome back to Tune In to tune up your frequency. Today we start with an angel message card from Kyle Gray of the Angel Guide Oracle cards. I'm going to post this in this message as well later on, and it's about composure. Composure. What is composure? The state of feeling, of being calm and in control of oneself, says the dictionary. So my question to you guys, beautiful beacons of light, how much of composure do you carry in yourself today? How much composure are you today? By getting up in the morning, first thing, what you do, how you feel, is a compass, a direction of how your day will go, unfold. So this morning I woke up early and I got up at 5, and it was a beautiful calmness, fresh air and peace. What a beautiful way to start the day, right? So the state of feeling calm and content of oneself is a beautiful way to start your day. And with this, I'm inviting you right now to close your eyes if you can. If you drive, do these exercises later. Feet flat on the ground, on the floor, and with your spine, your back nice and straight, so that your energy can flow within 3 times and out 3 times. Setting the theme for today, the beautiful essence of composure, by saying, when you have closed your eyes, I am content, I feel calm, I am composed to my day to come. And if you feel into this affirmations, does it open your heart to saying yes? Or is there a little notch in your solar plexus tightening up, that somewhere in your mind, your mental body, in your feelings, emotions, in your emotional body, or in your physical body says, okay, there is some struggle, there is some tensions, there is no calmness, and even I just woke up, there is already so much clutter in my mind that I don't know where to go. Another wordings that came in this morning was, be still and know that I am God. This is a phrase, a powerful mantra, powerful frequency of who read the Course of Miracles. Many of you will probably know about this phrase of be still and know that I am God. Be still in your mind and your heart, in the coherence of brain and heart, to unfold a beautiful day, and with composure you find the direction step by step. With me, inhaling through your nose and bring this breath down to your beautiful second energy center, the navel area just below the belly button, the powerhouse, inner child. Hold the breath there and see the words written in letters in the frequency of composure. Be still and know that I am God. And when you let you go, you let the breath go down to release any struggle, any messages that you have programmed your day or from yesterday, challenged, is tensions be released. Straighten up your spine again, shoulders down slightly backwards. It opens up your heart center. Inhale with me, deep and soft down to your second energy center, and hold your energy there. Feel it. Be still and know that I am God. Every sound of the breath starts slowly to vibrate to this message, and remembering that who you are is made in the image of the divine. When you exhale, let go. Bring your awareness down to your feet, to ground and anchor this beautiful frequency. And if it's maybe not resonating so much for you at this moment, at this time, it may start to kick in the right moment where you need it. Last time we inhale, bring in this beautiful breath of be still and know that I am God. I am full of composure, content, and one with oneself. Hold your breath in the navel area, the powerhouse, and charge this message frequency there. When you exhale from your nose, bring your awareness down to the feet. You're ready to start your projects, your walks, whatever this is today. Union with oneself. Alignment is important. Check frequently throughout today in practice. Be still and know that I am God. If you have to take breaks, close your eyes. Breathe 3 times in and 3 times out. Centering yourself in your heart and charging your powerhouse, second energy center. Grounding and anchoring it is bringing your awareness down to the feet. That talks, that walks, and brings you to any place you want. With this, be still and know that I am God.